Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to say thank you for the chance given to me, and on this occasion, I want to present my internship report. But before we go to the presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Winona Bianda. I am from Accounting Major 2017, Jakarta State University. I did the internship program at Center of Post-Harvest Agricultural Research and Development, or namely Balai Besar Penelitian dan Pengembangan Pasca Panen Pertanian, or it is abbreviated BB Pasca Panen. So this is the table of contents. There are 4 chapters: preliminary, overview of the workplace, internship implementation, and conclusion. Chapter 1, Preliminary. Background of the internship. Internship is the relevance of learning that has been taught during lectures with direct practice in the world of work. Graduates from Economy Faculty of Jakarta State University, in particular, are accounting graduates who are expected to be qualified and competent graduates. One of them is by applying the knowledge gained in lectures through certain sector jobs. The application of this knowledge is a contribution from formal education that is useful for application to company practices in certain sectors. Purposes and objectives of internship. First, provides new experiences for students about the real world of work, add insight, knowledge, experience, skills, and ability. Third, train to adapt to the work environment which actually relates to disciplines and responsibilities. Internship workplace. I did the internship at Balai Besar Penelitian dan Pengembangan Pasca Panen Pertanian. The address is Tentara Pelajar Street, number 12A, Cibogor, Central Bogor, Bogor City, West Java, 16122. The telephone number is on 0251 8321 762. The email is bbpaskapanen@litbang.pertanian.go.id. And you can visit the website on www.paskapanen.litbang.pertanian.go.id. Schedule of internship. The preparation stage was in July to August 2020. The implementation stage from 18th of August 2020 to 13th of October 2020. And the reporting stage was in October to November 2020. Chapter 2, Overview of the Workplace. The history of the institution. In October 2000, the Minister of Agriculture, Bungara Sarangi, gave the idea that it was time for the Ministry of Agriculture to have a research institution that deals with post-harvest fields to increase the added value of agricultural products. The Indonesian Agency of Agricultural Research and Development, or abbreviated IAARD, established a post-harvest working group through a letter of assignment to the head of Agricultural Research and Development with the task of preparing the establishment of the Post-Harvest Research and Development Institute. Within a year of the working group activities, the Agricultural Post-Harvest Research Institute, or Balit Pasca, was born with the legal basis of Ministerial Decree number 76/KPS/T.210/1/2002, dated January 29, 2002. As an Echelon 3 institution in South Jakarta. Furthermore, the echelons were obtained by the Post-Harvest Agricultural Research Institute at the end of 2003 with the appointment of the Center of Agricultural Post-Harvest Research and Development, or BB Pasca Panen, through the decree of Minister of Agriculture number 623 slash KPPS slash OT dot 140 slash 12 slash 2003 dated 30 December 2003, with the main task of implementing and formulating research and development programs for post-harvest agricultural technology. So this is the organizational structure in Universal, and this is the organizational structure in Finance Division. General activities. BB Pasca Panen activities are focused on producing technology and innovation in the handling and processing of agricultural products to support food sovereignty and improve the welfare of farmers through efforts to achieve sustainable food self-sufficiency and increase added value, competitiveness, and exports. These activities are carried out by applying the latest science and technology, including nanotechnology, bioprocessing, non-destructive, and biosensing to produce innovative new products. The general activities of BB Pasca Panen financial divisions are to carry out the following functions. First, financial administration services, including financing, control, bookkeeping, accounting, and verification, payment of BB Pasca Panen employee salaries, and preparation of government accounting system, or SAP, reports and carry out financial accountability. Chapter 3, Internship Implementation. So this is the field of work of mine. The first one is recapitulate proof of payment or billing transaction from non-tax state revenue, or PNBP, record tax levies and deposits using the SAS application, revise if there are errors on inputting NTPN and NTB after being checked by KPPN, make a recapitulation of a list of tax confirmation, recapitulate the accountability report and archive data in Microsoft Excel, and the last one is input receipt via the SAS application. The following is a more detailed explanation related to the tax given to the practitioner while doing this internship. The first one is recapitulate proof of payment or billing transaction from non-tax state revenue, or PNBP. In this activity, the practitioner recapitulates all billing from functional and general activities of BB Pasca Panen and calculates the amount of revenue in each month. The Symphony application makes it easy for payers to pay PNBP through various payment channels without having to use cash. Second, record tax levies and deposits using the SAS application. In this field of work, practitioner input NTB and NTPN according to the printed billing code. NTB is a receipt transaction number issued by the bank. Meanwhile, NTPN is a receipt transaction number issued through the state revenue module. NTPN has a function as confirmation of tax administration facilities such as tax payment notes, electronic deposit forms, or the third one is revise if there are errors on inputting NTPN and NTB after being checked by KPPN. In this field of work, the practitioner makes revisions if there are errors in NTB or NTPN input. This revision is useful for improving NTB or NTPN data from several transactions. If it is correct, The overall data for a transaction entered will appear on the state receipt confirmation note. This serves to find out that all transactions are true. Make a recapitulation of a list of tax confirmation. A recapitulation of the list of tax confirmation contains a summary of the tax revenue that has been imputed. This document is combined with other documents such as computer data archive, confirmation of tax proceeds of state revenue, or other equivalent documents, which will then be verified and signed by the Commitment Maker Office, or PPK, and the expenditure treasurer. Recapitulate an accountability report and archive data in Microsoft Excel. Accountability report is form of formal accountability report on the activities that the plan participates in. Further archiving is the process of storing and filling archived documents based on archiving systems that has been provided. Practitioner recapitulate accountability reports in Microsoft Excel for January to October 2020. After recapitulating, the results of the recapitulation will be checked by the archive officer and the head of the finance division. And the last one is input receipts via SaaS application. Receipts are documents used as proof of payment transactions signed by the money recipient. SPBE or payment order is evidence of an order from the Commitment Maker Office to the expenditure treasurer to issue inventory money managed by the expenditure treasurer as payment to the intended party. SPBE functions as proof of cash out of the treasurer's cash, while receipts serve as proof of payment from the treasurer to the rightful. Problems encountered. First one, practitioner had difficulty understanding the terms used in government circle. 2. There are often problems with internet connections when practitioner input data into government applications. Practitioner also had difficulty understanding the government application system. So this is the problem solving. For the problem number 1, practitioner carries out independent learning related to the abbreviations used in the BB Paskapanen Financial Division environment. And the second one is practitioner informs the employee that the internet connection is unstable, so the technician will repair it. And the last one, practitioner tries to ask one of the employees who assigned the job about the steps to use the government application. And the last one is conclusion. Internship at BB Paskapanen provides experience for practitioners to face the real world of work. Practitioners gain knowledge about the process of inputting taxes, receipts, knowing the process of disbursing funds, and increasing knowledge about the workflow in finance division. Expanding job relationships and knowing various kinds of employee characters. And this internship has taught practitioners about discipline, responsibility, and independence in doing work that can be a provision for practitioners to face the world of work. And this is the documentation of mine with the employees in BB Paskapanen. So thank you for your attention. See you later.